Recording in progress.
Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour. This is meeting number 69 and is added on Ethereum/PM repo as issue number 1693. Today, this is EIP only office hour, so we are going to review proposals or PRs added to Ethereum GitHub for EIP only. We are joined by editor Gajinder Singh. And yeah, Gajinder, you are already sharing your screen. Thank you for that. Thank you for joining. We can perhaps proceed with miscellaneous.
All right, Vijay, thanks for setting this up. And yeah, let's start reviewing the PRs. I think we should basically take client's input on this because it's his PR, whether he's working on it or he intends to let it go stagnant.
That sounds good. Yeah. Do we want to have him tagged for a response? I think he's already added by bot.
Correct.
Okay, cool.
I'm good with this, and then this will need a second review from Sam, I guess.
Yeah, two editors reviews required. So cool. I will bring it to the next meeting with Sam.
Yes, so this PR before as well, and I was like, okay, do we want this functionality where people can toggle? Because right now, I think what's we have added is that the theme will be automatically adopted by whatever your browser theme is. But in any case, this looks like a more involved PR. And I would first let Sam take a crack at this and see whether this works.
Do we want to bring it for EIP editors meeting tomorrow, like EIP? Maybe we can thoughts from all editors in one go.
Yeah, I guess, point is that we would want to support the functionality that actually helps people rather than just for the sake of it, because as more code gets added, tech debt also increases.
That makes sense.
Hello.
This is just a typo correction PRs, but might need force merge because author might not respond.
Yeah, right. I will add it for Sam's to do. The next one is also a typo fix, but it seems like this is from the latest proposal.
Which one is 100088?
Yeah,
Yeah, this should not require any of our intervention, this particular PR. But I closed and reopened it again so that maybe this time the merge will happen. So we'll see.
sure, sure.
As the
We are,
eyes. Mm.
yeah, we will hope that it merges. If not, then we'll bring it back again. We are joined by an author and he has a request for PR 10092, which is a draft proposal.
Do we have, okay, we have this over here. So we'll
Yes.
come to,
Okay, yeah, we can come there shortly. Yes, perfect.
we can, let's review it, I guess.
I bet you've already reviewed it.
Okay. So everything that was flagged is taken care of.
Yes, I believe so. I mean, there is this issue with the bot, but it's not it shouldn't be a blocker.
Now bot is a blocker. We can't merge without the bots passing all the checks.
No, but the thing is, this has a link to an ERC post split. And that's not working. That's why I opened a separate PR that I can link that fixes that in the CI. So I don't know if you want to review the other one, but I understand you pinged Sam to look at
This
it.
is if this is an ERC, you can create a full link for it.
Is that what I should do?
I mean, as of now, I think you also did a PR to sort of merge the CIs, I guess, merge the repos so that this is taken care of, but we will sort of need Sam to review it first.
Yes. Will a full link even pass the bot?
Go again.
Will the full link be accepted by the bot?
Yes, yes, it should be accepted most likely because uh, self links to EIPs and ERCs should be accepted. So in that
Okay,
sense,
give me 5 minutes and let's try that.
yeah, sure.
Otherwise, I don't know if we will consider merging this with the blog. The thing is, I need to propose this for Glamsterdam, and this has been a blocker, and I don't know. I
Understood,
haven't
but
seen Sam
you
act.
already have an EIP number, so you can still propose it, I guess.
Well, this needs to be added to the meta EIP, and
Right,
that
right.
won't work until this is merged. So give me,
So,
sorry, give me 5 minutes, and I'll try if
so And
full
if
link
that
works.
doesn't work, what you can do is just mention the EIP number and not try to link it. Maybe,
Yeah,
So
no,
this
that
is
doesn't work.
that's the
The
worst
thing
case
what can be
scenario.
done is to put it in backticks, which is an ugly workaround.
Sure, maybe we can proceed, and Frangio, you can work in the background. Let us know if it is still not working for you.
Yeah. Coming back to our original pipeline. I think this is pending review of the authors. It seems like a technical change.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is pending for Tim's review.
I notice there are a bunch of the 773, and I think all are pending on author's review, so we can skip that. Yeah.
So this is, I think, my EIP, so it should all be good.
Oh, it will serve both like authors and reviewers.
Yeah, so it only needed my approval.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so the full link URL doesn't work.
Okay, we'll come to that. So I have made some comments for this new EIP. I hope Othar will address them and then we can come back to it again.
Sounds good.
I have just removed the link, the reference, and it should work now.
Got it. But let's probably look at. Yeah, I think this was a particular error. Did you resolve this error?
Yeah, so this was just an attempt to get it to work. This didn't work. I've just removed the ERC reference.
No, I mean, but you could just refer it at ERC 7955.
No, it's not
Full
possible.
name.
None of this works. The only thing that works is to remove the reference. It's fine. I will add it back later when the CI fix is merged. It's okay.
But
It
the
doesn't need to be referred.
but the full link should work, and I want to see
No,
that
sorry,
where.
but it doesn't work. I've already tried it. I've
Yeah,
already tried
which
everything and it doesn't
okay,
work.
use absolute link.
It'll try to check if it exists and it won't find it.
Here in the link, if I may suggest, on row number 10, when we are referring to ERC 7955, instead of using the link here as EIPS slash EIP 7955, maybe we can try adding from ERC 7955.
No, that doesn't work either. I've already tried
Okay.
everything. It's the bot is broken. The
Okay,
only
no
thing that
worries.
will fix it is my other PR, but it's fine. The latest commit should pass. It's still running the HTML proofer, but it's okay. I'll add the reference back in a future PR once the bot is fixed.
Sure. We will take care of the PR number 10140 that is helping to fix this part.
And maybe
Thank
we
you.
should create this issue that absolute link is also not working.
Yes, we will bring it. Thank you, Franju, for bringing it to our attention. We'll take
No,
it.
no worries. Thank you.
So I'll just do a sanity check and approve it because I see Light client has already sort of reviewed the PR.
Mm-hmm. I need to do something. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Sure.
Francisco, are you still there?
Yes, I just replied to your comment. I think it is common knowledge.
Got it.
It's mentioned in many EAPs. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this EIP is pending change by the author to rename the EIP as well as the file.
Could we not do it like as an editor? Don't they have permission? Is it only about the EAP number?
I mean, it's better that they do it rather than us doing their work.
Yeah, and I don't know if they have enabled the permission for the editor to force merge it or not. Yeah, that's all right.
I mean, it's also a sign that the author is active, right?
Yeah, I mean,
That-
this is a new proposal because I don't know how much familiar he or she is with the process. So that's all right. We can wait for another week for the author to
we
come
should
back.
be able to follow the
Mhm.
comments and all that from GitHub, right?
Right.
So we have a blocker issue with this particular EIP draft. And once the author resolves it and adds the marker, we will then take we will then take the reviewing forward.
Cool.
Yeah, I think this is a technical change. So author will need to review and merge the PR. I think this is a redundant link. We have already reviewed this.
And I think we are done for PRs
Nice.
listed here.
Yep.
Cool. So I have noticed that there are too many open PRs, 220 plus open PRs, but most of them are either typo fix or pending on pending on authors review or confirmation for the change. So I think this is the list that an editor can review given the circumstances. So maybe we can get back, and we hope that rest of the PRs be reviewed or confirmed by the author. Then only we'll be in a position to merge that. Oh, I'm looking at a stats on, okay, let me share the link right here. I'm looking at a stats of number of PRs pending on author's review is 132. For reviewer, it's like 20, 26, and others are 59. So yeah, there are over 100 PRs which are pending author review. Well, that brings us to the end of the call today. People following us on live stream or maybe recording may join us tomorrow at 1400 UTC for EIP IP meeting. And we will bring the next EIP Editing Office Hour on following Tuesday at 1600 UTC. Thank you everyone for joining us here.